Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your navigation app because that's where routes live. Enter the main destination. Doing this establishes the primary route. Next, tap Directions, then immediately open the Options menu or the plus icon to add a stop. This sequence matters. It prevents the app from auto-starting navigation and lets you insert stops in order. Once done, you'll see fields for additional stops. Keep them ready for the next step, where you'll place stops precisely along the route. Now add each stop. Type an address, pick a saved place, or long press the map to drop a pin. After adding, reorganize stops by dragging them. The list order defines driving sequence, so make sure the closest or earliest stop is first. Use voice input to save time if you're hands-free. Also, include buffer stops for gas or rest. This helps route accuracy. Once your stops are ordered logically, preview total time and distance, so adjustments fit your schedule before starting navigation. Finish by reviewing ETA and traffic warnings. This ensures realistic timing. Tap Start to begin turn-by-turn guidance that includes every added stop. If the app omits a stop, pause navigation, return to the directions screen, insert or reorder the missing stop, and then resume. This forces a route recalculation. If problems persist, close and reopen the app or toggle location services. These steps clear temporary glitches and make sure your phone uses current GPS and map data for accurate routing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.